Children, welcome to today's art class. In today's class, our topic is printing. Our topic is printing. Printing. Printing is the process of reproducing text and images on a desired surface. Printing is the process of reproducing text and images on a desired surface. Types of printing. There are two types of print making, namely, number 1, leaf printing, and number 2, thumb printing. Leaf printing. Leaf printing is the process of printing or making leaf design on another surface. This is done by putting ink or dye on leaf and placed on another surface or paper. This is done by putting ink or dye on leaf and placed on another surface or paper. Number 2, thumb printing is the process of making thumb design. Thumb printing is the process of making thumb design with human thumb on a surface or paper or cardboard. This is done by putting ink or dye on thumb and placed on another surface. This is done by putting ink or dye on thumb and placed on another surface, paper or cardboard. Suitable leaf used in printing. Suitable leaf used in printing. Number 1, fresh leaf with hand veins. Number 1, fresh leaf with hand veins. Number 2, beautifully shaped leaf of various sizes. Number 2, beautifully shaped leaf of various sizes. Making print with leaves. Making print with leaves. How can we make print with leaves? Number 1, apply a color to fresh leaves with hand veins. Number 1, apply a color to fresh leaves with hand veins. Number 2, carefully place the leaf with color on cardboard or paper. Number 2, carefully place the leaf with color on cardboard or paper. Making print with thumbs. Making print with thumbs. How can we make print with thumbs? Number 1, apply color on the thumb. Number 1, apply color on the thumb. Number 2, gently place your thumb on cardboard or paper. Number 2, gently place your thumb on cardboard or paper. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Why should you subscribe to this channel? We upload basic art videos and artistic skill sets for children of all ages on a daily basis, starting from fundamental of art and craft for kids, drawing objects, nature art and nature craft, colors, and a lot more. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.